Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be recreating another YouTuber's makeup look, well eyeshadow look, and it's using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be recreating Karina aka OhMGlashes here on YouTube. I love her makeup tutorials. She is not afraid to play with color. Her looks are always gorgeous. They're always on fire. So if you guys are interested in watching me recreate her look, then keep on watching. So Karina starts out by using this transitional shade right here, and she's using somewhat of a stiff brush, so I'm going to use my Sigma E38 brush.
Palette at least, completely throw it away, so I have no idea what this color is called, but this is going to be the first shade. After that,
so she takes this shade called Jada, and this is a Sigma E25 brush. I know she also uses a Sigma brush. I'm not sure exactly which one, but she packs it on like she says, which is not something that I typically do, but we're gonna go with it. She packs it and then she blends it. Then she takes this dark green shade, I believe it's called Enchanted, and then she puts that on the outer corner. Alright, I'm going to take this Zoeva 231 brush with Enchanted and apply that to my outer corner. She wets her brush next, and then she takes this blue shade called Pool Party. It's the shimmer blue in the Jaclyn Hill palette.
corner, meeting all those colors together so there's not a harsh line in between the crease, the lid, and then the outer corner. I'm going to apply a cream eyeliner to the waterline. This is evening liner. Honestly, this is for your brows, but I just use it for my eyeliner because I just I'm so used to it. But after that, we're going to force colors together so there's not a harsh line in between the crease, the lid, and then the outer corner.
Alright, so I got one side done. I'm now going to do the other side and go from there. She then takes like a really light cream shade for her waterline. I might actually use white because I'm a lot lighter than her. So I'm just going to take a white NYX eye pencil and put it in my waterline. I decided to put this cream one on top of it, so that way it's not so white. Alright, for my lower lash line, I'm just going to take a shader brush and the matte shade. Using a really small shader brush, I'm going to take the dark green shade and put that really close to my lash line. I have eyelash extensions on, so I need to comb through them to kind of get the product out. I'm going to be using this lash like sealer to get any of that product out. Alright, she then takes these two highlights right here for her inner corner. For lip liner, she uses more of like a brown lip liner. I'm going to use Bite Beauty in this shade 020. Or 20, whatever you want to call it. For lipstick, she uses a really light, pale liquid lipstick, so I'm going to use Pure Hollywood by Anastasia. To set my face, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So yeah, that completes this look. I definitely love the way that this look came out. I love the techniques that she used. I definitely have watched so many of her videos, but I've never actually put her techniques into use, and I definitely found them helpful. I love the way that she packed on the transition shade and then blended it out. Usually I don't do that, and it made my eyeshadow so much different, and it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. This isn't a look that I would typically go for, but I wanted to step outside my comfort zone, and that's also why I wanted to recreate one of Karina's looks. So make sure you guys go check her out. Tell her that Christina sent you. That is it. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification button so that way you guys never miss a video. I'm trying to get new videos out every single day now. So I'll see you guys in my next video.
I'm Savannah. We'll never be in love, Savannah.